In this video, I'll show you how to mute all sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any latest Samsung device. By default, your Samsung phone plays different sounds like call volume, ringtone, notifications, media sounds, AI assistant, and more. But if you want to completely silence everything on your device, Samsung has a hidden feature that lets you mute all sounds at once. Let's see how to enable it. Method 1. Manually adjust sound settings. First, open the Settings app. Tap on Sounds and Vibration. You can manually lower different sound levels such as media volume, notification volume, ringtone volume, system volume. You can also disable system sounds like touch interactions, dialing keypad, keyboard sounds, charging sounds, screen lock or unlock sounds. Method 2. Mute all sounds at once. If you want to mute absolutely everything on your phone, here's the easiest method. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap Hearing Enhancements. Here you'll find an option called Mute All Sounds. Tap on it. Turn this toggle on. This will mute calls, alerts, media audio, system sounds, notifications. Everything on your Samsung device will now be completely silent. Press the volume up or down button and tap 3 horizon lines. Tap Settings gear icon. You can't move the volume slider until Turn Off Mute All Sound to your Samsung Galaxy device. To turn sounds back on, go to Settings. Tap Sounds and Vibration. Tap Mute All Sounds. Tap again, Mute All Sounds. Turn this toggle off. Your phone audio will return to normal. And that's it. That's how you can quickly mute all sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series.